Hi, my name is Tina Di Franza and today I'm going to show you how to work ageloc galvanic spa. This device is for people who want anti-aging skin benefits but in their own home. It will visually reduce the signs of skin aging such as lines, wrinkles and tired and dull looking skin. Super easy to use. Wash your face first, use any cleanser you'd like, and then you take the pre-treatment gel, which is the clear capsule here. Snip off the top and apply the entire capsule to your hand, and then you're ready to put it on your face. Just avoid the eye area, please. Then you press program number 1, the galvanic spa. Just press this button once. And remember that to keep your hands moist and in contact with this chrome panel at all times. Then you're ready to take it to your face, and you're gonna hear the device beep. And that's just because the current is adjusting to your skin. And now you're ready to move it in outwards movements, back and forth over half of your face. The device will beep every 10 seconds, just to let you know that it's still working, and you shouldn't break contact at any point. So keep the device on and slide it across your skin rather than move it on and off. And if you have any areas that you have specific concerns, just leave the device for a bit and then move on. It's gonna beep 3 times, and then you continue on the other half. So that was circle number 1. Now you remove any extra products you might have left. I like to use aqua pops, but you can use any wet cloth that you can find at home. And then we're ready to step number 2, which is the treatment gel. Snip it off, apply it to your face, and then you press twice on the galvanic to get to program number 2. And then you just repeat the same steps as you did in program number 1. Start with one half of your face. When you hear 3 beeps, you move to the other half. And when you're finished, remove any extra products you might have. Use a skin tonic, a serum and a moisturizer of your choice. And I highly recommend anyone who wants anti-aging spa benefits at their own home to make galvanic a part of your skincare routine. It only takes 2 to 3 times a week to gain the amazing results. Enjoy!